I just gave Peakboard's AI a single prompt and it generated this entire wastewater treatment dashboard for me in minutes. And honestly, it is incredible. Picture a busy municipal treatment plant where raw sewage flows through intake, primary clarification, biological treatment, secondary clarification, and discharge. And operators need to know instantly if any stage is drifting out of range. This board lays all 5 stages out left to right with flow arrows between them, so it mirrors the real plant and shows you exactly where a problem starts. Each stage card surfaces live flow rate, pH, dissolved oxygen, and turbidity with traffic light signals and a clear overall status pill up top next to a big clock. Down below, a 24-hour chart traces the influent volume so operators can anticipate the morning and evening peaks, while a live table tracks every chemical dosing pump and flags a faulted one in red. Tap any stage to open detailed gauges, or tap a pump to adjust its set point with a slider and save it back instantly. Remember, all of this was generated by Peakboard's AI from one prompt with no manual programming at all. Shift operators, supervisors, and maintenance crews get a single, always-on view that turns a complex process into something they can read at a glance. You can download this project for free using the link in the description below.